Respected principal, members of the staff, and my dear student, a very good morning to all of you. I am Social Worker Foundation, working for control of cancer by generating awareness amongst masses since 1999 under the guidelines of National Cancer Control Program of Government of India of that World Health Organization. Now I am going to tell you about cancer. Cancer is the second largest disease after heart attack worldwide, and its incidence will increase by 500% in coming 25 years according to NCCP. Deaths due to cancer are 5 times more deaths due to AIDS according to NCCP. In cancer, 80% cases are diagnosed in advanced stages when there is no cure. Hence, we lose a precious human's life due to this dreaded disease. Still, let us not lose hope. Cancer means can survive if detected early at an affordable cost of treatment. Now, what is cancer? Cancer starts from a single cell, multiplies abnormally, and forming mass of cells called tumors. It spread throughout the body by lymph vessels, blood vessels, and tissue spaces. Tumors are of two types: benign, which is harmless, and malignant, which is in fact cancer that branches throughout the body and may be fatal. Is cancer is curable? Yes, cancer is curable if detected and treated early, but in later stages it is incurable. Over 80% cases are detected in advanced stages. What is the difference between benign and malignant tumor? Benign tumors are harmless. They arise in the form of swelling, attain a size, and mostly surrounded by a capsule. Removed by surgically and case is cured. They increase in size but do not spread at other parts of the body. Benign tumors may be harmful on account of their size when they arise near vital organs like heart, lungs, brain, arteries, and veins. We all know about our body very well. If any changes or abnormality should be consulted by doctor followed by clinical examinations. Methods of detection of cancer are MRI scan, CT scan, ultrasound, X-rays, endoscopies, etc. But confirmation is through by biopsy or cytology. Treatments are in the form of number 1 surgery by removing affection area. Second, radiotherapy by gamma rays which kills the cancer cell. Chemotherapy by drugs which may be successful in general in some specific cancer. By combination therapy by combining all above methods may also be resulted for some specific cancers. How do we prevent cancer? Most of us do not listen our elders in childhood. That's why we face a lot of problems when we grow up. Remember children, this is the time when we are growing habits. Remember, if we develop bad habits at this age, then we are going to suffer when we grow up. Even we try to remove bad habits at this age, it is very difficult. I am explaining how to spell habit. HABIT. If you remove H, a bit remains. It means it's still there. If you remove A, bit remains. It means it is still there. Finally, you remove B. Finally, you remove B. It remains. It means it is still there. So let us learn good habits at this age and get rid of bad habits right now. Now what is good and bad habits? Your parents, your teachers and elders are always telling you. You should listen to them and follow their guidelines to become a good citizen. Now I am going to tell you about healthy living habits and good dietary habits. Number 1. Always take a lot of green leafy vegetables in your diet daily. Always take a lot of soya products in your diet daily. Take a lot of naturally colored or dark colored fruits and vegetables in your diet. Wash your hand before taking anything. Do not form habit of taking excess of fat, sugar, salt regularly. Vegetables like amla, tomato, radish, carrots, spinach, cabbage, onions, garlic are very good for health. Fruits like papaya, orange, red grape, guava, watermelon, banana are very nutritious. Do not take deep fried food, red meat, and dairy products regularly in your diet. Do not keep edibles in colored polythenes. Do not take food being kept in the open. Do not take very hot or very cold food items or drinks. Take sprouted food items in your diet daily. Mustard sprout are very nutritious. Always drink clean water. Do not play during a very long time in the hot sunlight. Do not take food items face on the floor or table. Cut your nails regularly and do not put in the mouth. Do not put your finger and other objects in the mouth. Do not put pointed objects in your mouth, ears and nose. Do not play with chemicals like asbestos used in roofing, coal tar used in making roads, coal tar dyes, aniline which is used in some colors during Holi, and benzene, etc. Do not take meaty soap, pan masala, meaty sopadi because these products are very harmful. Remember children, tobacco causes 40% of all cancer related deaths. If your parents take gutka, pan masala or smoke cigarette, then tell them not to do it because these products are going to harm them. Now what is a passive smoker? If anyone smokes next to you, you inhale smoke of tobacco, which in fact harm you. Tell that person not to do it and keep reminding him gently. You are termed as passive smoker. Now what is the symptoms of cancer in primary stages? When it is 100% curable, but most of the time patients continue with treatment with private practitioner, which in fact throws them on the deathbed. In case any of the following system persists beyond 2 weeks, should be consulted by doctor immediately. Remember, cancer is a refuge in ignorance. Now, what is the symptom of cancer in primary stages? Symptoms of cancer in primary stages from head downwards: partial paralysis, persistent headache, fits, and transitory blindness. Maybe in case of cancer of the brain, conjunctivitis, hemorrhage, and protruding eye. Maybe in case of the cancer of the eye, ulcer or white red patches within oral cavity, or partial closure of mouth. Maybe in case of the cancer of the oral, difficulty or pain in swallowing food items. Maybe in case of the cancer of the esophagus, change or hoarseness of voice. Maybe in case of the cancer of lungs, irritation, swelling or lump anywhere on the body may be cancerous. Ulcer or injury which is not healing, maybe in case of cancer. Alteration in bowel habits, bouts of constipation and loose motions, maybe in case of cancer of intestine which is due to lack of roughage. Change in color, size and discharge from wart or mole may be cancerous. Nausea, loss of weight and appetite, maybe in case of cancer of the stomach. Unexplained blood and cough in sputum, maybe in case of cancer of the lungs. Decrease or increase in blood cell count, pale appearance, fatigue, breathlessness and fever may be in case of blood cancer. Thank you and good day.